If you're struggling with damaged lungs, shortness of breath, or a chronic cough, what I'm about to show you will blow your mind. There's an ancient root that has been used for over 4,000 years, which can reverse lung damage in ways modern medicine is just beginning to understand. But here's the thing, most people are using it completely wrong. They're missing the one critical step that makes this root up to 2,000% more bioavailable to your lungs. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prepare it the right way for maximum lung healing power. This isn't some trendy superfood, this is ancient medicine backed by over 300 clinical studies. So if you want to breathe freely again, stay with me. Alright, let's dive in. What is this remedy? The ancient root I'm talking about is turmeric, but not in the way you may think you know it. Most people just sprinkle turmeric powder on their food and expect miracles. That's like trying to unlock a safe with a paperclip. The science. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, and this is where it gets fascinating. Studies from the Journal of Inflammation Research show that curcumin directly targets lung inflammation at the cellular level. When your lungs are damaged from pollution, smoking, or infection, your alveoli, these tiny air sacs, become inflamed and scarred. Curcumin breaks down this scar tissue while promoting the growth of healthy new lung cells. But here's the problem. Your body can only absorb about 3% of curcumin when taken alone. That's why most people see zero results. How to prepare it? To unlock the full lung healing power of turmeric, you need 3 essential ingredients. 1. Black pepper. Just a pinch can increase absorption by up to 2,000%. The compound piperine in black pepper opens up your cellular pathways, enabling better nutrient absorption. 2. Healthy fat. Combine turmeric with a healthy fat, such as coconut oil or olive oil. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is fat-soluble, meaning that without fat, it will simply pass through your system without being absorbed. 3. Heat activation. Gently warming your turmeric mixture activates the curcumin compounds, enhancing their effectiveness. Ancient Ayurvedic practitioners understood this over 4,000 years ago. How to use it? Drink this with warm water, or add it to golden milk twice daily, morning and evening. Within 7 to 14 days, you should notice easier breathing and reduced coughing. So, this ancient root is one of nature's most powerful lung healers, but only when used correctly. Try this method for the next 14 days and let me know in the comments how your breathing improves. If you want to completely heal your lungs, this next video is a must-watch. See you and stay healthy.